Let's discuss the importance of standards in manufacturing industry. Industry is already grappling with the issue of the sustenance of improvements that are made by industry time to time. One of the major reasons why sustenance does not take place forever is the improvements are not translated to standards and the standards are not implemented in a manner in which it should be implemented. There are 7 magical questions that throws clear light on the root causes that are responsible why sustenance does not take place forever. Question number 1. Is standard translated from the improvements? Question number 2. Is standard adequate enough? Question number 3. Is it deployable? Question number 4. Has it been communicated to implementer? Question number 5. Has it been clearly understood by implementer? Question number 6. Finally, has it been implemented and enforced? Last but not least, the question number 7. Is implementation verified through regular audits in the industry? If all the questions are answered as yes, rest assured the improvements would sustain forever. But if one of the answer the question that are asked, if it is no, we need to go back to question, find out the answer.